Alright, just wait until at least another student join, then we're gonna start. So is the assignments
Okay,
coming
sir.
on, miss? Or is the assignments coming on, miss? Yeah? For maths. What's going on with the rest of them?
It's coming on alright, sir.
But that's not there's a but.
No, I'm not saying about.
Okay. Mhm.
I can't come in here, I'm not in a class. Okay. When I'm coming? Yeah.
It's bottle down time now. So we're gonna switch up things a bit. We're gonna start off with algebra first, and then we're gonna finish. We're gonna wrap up the class with the multiple choice questions. So we're staying true to our word. All right, so settle it. I want to prepare our board now. Right. So go here, go here, go here. All right. Good night, Nikosha. How are you doing?
Good night, sir. I'm fine.
Very good. All right. So we're going to start. Two of you are here, so we're not going to waste any more time. So of course, we start off with prayers. So we are going to start our class right now. And good night to those students who are viewing from YouTube. Tonight we're going to start with algebra, first part of the syllabus in for algebra itself. And then we'll be having our multiple choice past paper 2016. Let's see who can get the 10 out of 10 this time around. right, so we start off again another 10 multiple choice questions. This is based on computation and number theory. All right, so let's pray first. Let us pray. Most kind and loving and heavenly Father, we give you thanks, dear God, for sparing our lives to live to see another evening like this. Dear Lord, as the students continue to prepare for exams, even those who are watching from YouTube and students who are with us in Zoom and the students who are yet to come on and all other students, pray that as they prepare for their exams, dear God, you will continue to be with them. Pray that you'll open their mind, give them the ability to acquire knowledge and to be able to understand it. Give them the ability to comprehend what they have acquired and give them the ability to use the information at the right time in the right way. And I pray with their success, may that bring honor and glory to your name. For this we ask in Jesus' most precious and holy name we pray. Amen. All right. So we're going to move to our first activity. Very first activity. Hope you remember the drill. And we'll be writing an algebraic expression for each phrase. So what I'm going to do first is to check to see how well you guys can do it by sending giving you the link to do the work as usual. And if you do well, then we can move on from there. This is just to test now what your understanding of writing an algebraic expression for each phrase. This is the very first part of the C.X.C math syllabus in the area of algebra. All right. Um, Let me look for it directly from the syllabus and tell you. So it says, and it's algebra section number. And remember, the syllabus is online, so you can download the syllabus from online. Um, so the first part of the syllabus, section 6, page 26, says that students should be able to use symbols to represent numbers, operations, variables, and relations. Good. You should be able to translate between algebraic symbols and worded expressions. So we have worded expressions right here. Good. So we have about 20 questions and each following 0.5 marks. All right. Each following 0.5 marks. That means it marks out of 10. Now, for those persons who are doing it or following us on YouTube, and you are invited to participate in the class as well, so I'm going to ask you to look out for the link that I'll be putting in the YouTube chat at this point. Then you are going to participate. Now, I want my YouTubers to be involved. Don't want you to just come and watch. It's not a movie, all right? We want you to participate, even if you're not doing maths, but test your brain, test your knowledge, all right? Good. So I'm going to copy the link. Now, here it is. I'm going to put it in the WhatsApp group. Sorry, not the WhatsApp group, in the chat for Zoom and the chat for YouTube. All right, remember the email address. Let me just do one and demonstrate, or it must be done again. All right, so it's a number G added to 63. I'm just going to do this one. That's just it alone. A number G added to 63. All right. So after you type in the answer, when you're finished with all 20, click on the word finish. And then you scroll up. Click on email my answers to my teacher. You put your full name. This time I'm going to use that name. Grade level, you can use 11, grade 11. And then you can use the school subject is maths. And of course, email address is cdpmatslab@hotmail.com. Remember that email address, it is cdpmatslab@hotmail.com. Then you click send. and then I'll receive your grade and you'll receive your score. All right? Good. So you're going to go ahead now. Good evening, Tasha Clark. How are you doing, Miss Clark?
Good evening. I'm good, doing good.
Okay, okay. So we're doing our first activity. We're starting with the algebra tonight. The multiple, 10 multiple, the 10 C.X.C multiple choice questions will come after, near to the end of the class. All right? All right. So let us, so I'm going to put this link back in the chat where you just came in. So here's the link. And for those who are on YouTube, I'm going to send it in the chat for you now. All right, students, start working on that worksheet, please. All right, so those who are on YouTube, good night to you again. You can click on the link in the chat and you can proceed to do the work. And that's a grade 5 work. Should be able to do it. Guys, when you're finished, just let me know, please. Ladies, rather. Those persons who are just joining us live on YouTube, there's a link for you to click on to participate, to get access to the worksheet that you are seeing now. We are starting off our algebra session of the classes and just want to test to see what you know against what you don't know, right? So feel free to click on a link and participate. Mhm, mhm. We're seeing two persons. Mhm, 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 mhm. Let's see who's going to get the highest mark. Let's see if anybody from YouTube can do this. It's very easy, very, very easy worksheet. Nothing difficult, nothing too hard. And let's see if you guys can do it. Nothing difficult at all. You're speaking to me, Tasha. You're not hearing me. I'm not hearing if you're talking. 20 questions. Those persons who are just joining us on YouTube, we have, if you want to get access to this worksheet, you go in the chat and you will click on the link and then you'll be able to have access. Please don't just be a passerby, don't just be viewing, but take some time out and try to see if we can do the worksheet, right? So we can know who did what and how you did it. Oh, again, I forgot to write. I love you guys to write to me. Sorry about that. Raise me high, and I can stand a mountain. You raise me high. Raise me up so I can stand a mountain. You raise me up. Anybody finish it? Nobody finish it?
Yes, sir. Email it.
You email
Email
it
it.
already? Okay, all right. Let's see what Nikosha got. Nikosha has emailed hers. So let's see what she got.
I don't know. I'm not email yet, sir.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay. By the time I reach there, I should see it. Wow, I see one email coming already. Oh, that is me. That was me who sent that one, eh? Mhm. Nobody from YouTube do it as it? Like seriously? All right. Let me know when you finish. When you send it off. Let me know when you finish sending it off. Okay.
So it's not going through.
Okay. Waiting on you, ma'am. Waiting on you.
Sir,
Huh? You send it
it's not
off?
going through.
It's not going
It not go
through.
through, sir.
You sure?
Yes, I said this email is not registered in liveworksheets.com.
What you type there? You type cdpmatslab@hotmail.com.
Yes.
No man, they give it type the wrong email address. They give it type the wrong email address.
No capital letter night, sir.
No, only common letters. Tasha, Shani, you guys finish as yet either? You're not finished as yet? Can't spend the whole time on something simply, no?
Fernando.
Huh?
Fernando through.
Still not going through? I don't understand why yours not going through. What did you type? What are you using, a laptop or a cell phone?
CBP. Laptop.
It's, you see it. Share your screen. Let me see what's going on. Since you're using a laptop, share your screen. Let me see what's going on. The type group level, what level, right? So, oh, don't put mathematics. Put maths. Put maths. Put maths right there. So just put maths. And you type CDP maths. Oh, you have math. You didn't have maths lab. You must have maths. You missed out the S. You missed out the S from it. It's supposed to be S. CDP maths lab. Huh? Huh?
Okay.
CDP maths lab. All right. Look if everything is typed correctly. CDP maths. CDP MATHS LAB. CDP maths labs. Take out the S from the labs. CDP maths lab. Take out the S. Remove the S from the labs.
Okay.
That should be it. Okay, there you go. So you have to put in the correct email address. If there's anyone who's making having an error there. All right, so let's see what your score is. Scroll up. So you get a few wrong. Scroll up. A few wrong. 6 out of 10. All right, that's your score. Anybody else finishes yet? Tasha, Shani, you guys finishes yet? Shani, Tasha, you guys finishes yet? Can you unmute your mic and answer me, please? Shani, Tasha. Seriously. All right, let's use your worksheet. Let's use your worksheet.
No, sir, when I finish.
Ladies, let me tell you something. I have a rule in the online school, okay? When a teacher is calling your name so many times, don't have the teacher call your name 3, 4 times, because if you do that, I'm gonna click the
But
remove
sir,
button.
it
No,
kind of
shh.
difficult for
Hold on,
you
hold on, hold on,
to
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
mute the mic
Shani,
when you're on
Shani,
the screen.
Shani, calm down. I'm just stating the rules, all right? Please. Okay. All right. All right. So that's 6 out of 10. Tasha. I guess you're on the screen same way. All right. While we read number two for me there. Read number two. I didn't want nobody to see your answer. Didn't want nobody to see your answer yet. So let's not do the corrections yet. All right, not bad though. Not so bad. You could work with that. I think your email just came in. All right, we're going to move on now, ladies. We're going to try and move on now. Let us do it together. Let's do it together, all right? Let's do it together. All right, so we got the first answer, which was G plus 63. All right, we're going to do it together now. All right, ready? Tasha have an internet problem. All right, number two. You got number two incorrect, Nikosha. The quotient of 7 and the number x. The quotient of 7 and the number x. What does the word quotient means?
So I still think that's multiply.
No, 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 no. The word quotient does not mean the same thing as a
Divide.
multiply. Divide to the quotient of 7 and a number x. So in order to get quotient, you must divide. So it has to be either 7 slash x. All right. 10 less than a number v. How write that? 10 less than a number v. How's that one written? Shani, can you answer that one for us, please?
Yes, sir. 10 and the side will be mean the less than sign.
No man, 10 less than a number v. All right. So it is, you write 10 and you write
The less
this.
than sign and then we.
How write the less than one? It will be that one. You have to tell me which one you want to
No,
write
sir.
now.
The next
This
one.
one.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
All right. The less than number v. Number 4, Nikosha.
13 take away. Okay.
Huh?
13 take away. Okay.
Okay, so difference. So the word difference there means subtract. The 13 minus, no, k minus 13. K minus 13. All right. So sorry, 13 minus k. Sorry, 13 minus k. You're correct. All right. Now a number q increased by 72. What's that? A number q increased by 72. How do we write that one? A number q increased
Plus
by 72. Huh?
Q plus 72.
Q plus 72. All right, next question is yours. Q plus 72. Next question is yours. Um, Shani, the total of 11 and a number m. Total of 11 and a number n. I think this should be common. Let's common x. Okay, that's common. Total of 11 and a number m. The total of
Equal
11.
LM equal 11M.
11m. What does the word total there means? What does the word total means? What does the word total means? When you talk about total, what does that word mean? total? Nicosia, you want to assist her? Nicosia? Nicosia not there. Now we talk about total. Words that are synonymous or similar in meaning to the word total is sum. So we talk about sum. What comes to your mind when we talk about the word sum? S-U-M. If it had said the sum of 11 and a number m, what would that mean? The sum of the number 11 and the sum of 11 and a number m. So when we talk about sum, what
Addition, sir.
addition? Good. So tell me what I must write now. Welcome back, Tasha. Tell me what I must write now. We're at number 6, Tasha. You want to give us the answer for that?
Total of 11
And number
and
m. So what should you write there, sir?
so is it the equal? I'm not sure. Is it the equal sign?
The equal sign? No, we don't use the equal
Total of
sign. It will be 11 plus m. Because total means to
plus
add,
M
right? Yes. Number
and
7. Number 7. Uh, uh,
92
97. Yeah, go ahead.
subtracted from a number. So it's
R.
97 take away
Take away. 97, take
R.
away R. Is she
Yes.
correct? Is she correct?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
97
sir.
subtract from a number R. You sure?
Yes, sir.
Anybody in the YouTube chat can person in the YouTube can put your answers in the chat. You sure it's 97 subtract from a number R? You sure about that? You sure it's 97 minus R you want to write there? 97 subtract from a number R? Is that what I write here? Is it saying 97 subtract from R, or is it saying R subtract from 97? Which is it actually saying?
97 subtracted from R.
Oh, so it's
R subtracted.
Oh.
I can't read, man. I can't read. You two people that must have vexed, you know, they cannot read and they cannot read at all. They cannot read.
The
Mercy.
further.
All right, number 9. Shani, try that one for me, please. All right, I see Teresa Powell is
I
saying,
still 39 and a number.
come in. What's the answer for this one? What's the answer?
39 plus F,
You're,
sir.
you're at number 8. You're at number 8. We're at number 8. We see Teresa
Okay.
Powell saying, hold on. Teresa Powell is saying, the end product of two numbers. No, Teresa, where you get that from? When you use the word product there, Teresa, you're talking about multiplication there. All right, number 8. Oh, I gave away myself with this one. Mercy. The product of a number D and 61. How we write that? Welcome on board, Tangini.
Good night, sir.
Oh, you come on late, Tangini?
Sir, I had to carry home some children they were staying with me for the day.
Okay, okay. What about that person? What about that person? All right, when you can text it to me then.
Oh, sir.
All right.
I don't inbox it privately.
Yeah, inbox me privately. Okay. All right. So the product of a number D and 61. How do we write that?
So could you write it like D then on with 69?
69, D 61,
Yeah, 61.
or 61D, preferably 61D. All right.
Oh.
Okay, normally it's a 7x. All right. Number 9. What about number 9? All right, Tangini just came on. Take number 9. We are translating from that to algebraic statements. Okay, Teresa Poyle just answered the question. R minus 97. Okay, Teresa had it correct. You go, Teresa. Teresa had it correct. Good. All right, so number 9, the sum of 39 and a number f. The sum of 39 and the number f. How do we write that, Tangini? The sum of
So
30,
39F.
the sum of 39 and the number f. How do we write that?
39 plus F.
Oh, okay. You're frightened me. I was wondering where you get that response from. Uh, Shani, could you give me the answer for this one, number 10? And then Nikosha, your number
No, you
11.
did not ask.
What is it, Shani? I'm asking you now. What's the answer for number 10?
23 plus F, sir. 23F.
All right, 23 added to a number J. That's actually J. And it's not 23F. It's supposed to be added.
Oh, it's J.
Yeah, it's supposed to be added. Number 11, that's Nikosha. Nikosha? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yeah, what's the answer for that one, Nikosha? Next one is Tarsha. What's the answer for that, Nikosha? Sister Nikosha, are you there?
Internet again, a problem, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. 12 divided by a number C.
Yeah. 12 for dash. I don't know why dash. What do you call it?
12. Oh,
So,
you
me
mean the
and my,
slash. You mean the forward slash.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then C, right?
C.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tarsha. A number Y multiply. No, 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 no. That's not you. You have answered something like that already.
Sorry.
Tangini. Yeah. A number one. I can't get the same type of question. I'd be crazy to do that, right? A number Y multiplied by 85. Tangi, that's yours or no? A number Y
Sir,
multiplied by
85Y.
85Y. Let's hope they give us that's correct. Number 13. A number W decreased by. Oh, this one is yours, Tarsha. Let's see if you can read this time. A
W
number
W subtracted by 58.
58. So W minus 58.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 14, starting from top again. Shanae, this is yours again. Shanae,
B minus 58, sir.
B minus 58.
Meaning subtract 58.
Okay. So a number B minus 58. All right. Okay. All right. All right. So the next thing now, number 15. Wow. who's going to take this one? Nikosha, good. Oh, you want it, Tasha? Tasha wants it?
It's just a try, sir. If I get it wrong, it's just that. Could I say 46 greater than Z?
Oh, you mean the greater than sign? 46 more than
Yes,
a
sir.
number Z. 46 more than a number Z.
Yes, sir. Could it be greater than sign, the greater sign?
Well, if you're saying 46 more than the number Z, you sure? You sure you want it to greater than sign?
46 more than.
Well, if you all can vote on it, and let's see what the persons on YouTube has, if they they get to there at that time. Um, let's hear what Nikosha has to say. You said 46 and the greater than sign Z. Nikosha, what you have to say about it? 46 more than a number Z.
Same thing, sir.
You agree with her?
Yes, sir.
Tangini, agree or disagree?
Sir, I think it's a greater than sign.
So you all think it's a greater than sign. All right, just for the fun of it, I'm going to put the greater than sign.
This relative.
46 more than. Huh?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, God, you can say wrong.
Sir, you
Is
add one specific number Z, which is Z.
so Z plus 46.
After.
All right. Well, if we're wrong, when we check the answers, we'll know. I guess Star should be the first to cuss me out. All right. Uh, 16. And who's going to take 16? Starting from top again. Tasha, this is yours.
8 divided by 31. A number 8 divided
Number
by
8 divided by 31. So this is a common assault. Divided by 30 how much?
31.
31. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna skip. Going to Nikosha. This one is yours. No, Tangini. This one is yours. No, where are we? The sum of a number n. Yeah. Nikosha can take this one. You know, matter of fact, I will take this one. This one too easy. Sum of a number n and 49. N and 49. Too easy.
30,
Not too
what
easy.
it one is?
All right, Shanae, number 18 is yours. Shanae, 18.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
The number is.
All right. While Shanae is working that out, let me look in the YouTube chat. Teresa Powell, she agrees with all of you for the 6 and the greater than sign Z. Well, we'll see if Teresa and the rest of you were correct. All right. Teresa agrees with you guys and put 47, 46 rather greater than Z. We'll see if all of you are correct. Why is all the Teresa alone in doing? All right. Teresa says 46 plus Z. Where she get that from? Oh, she changed her mind? Teresa, you change your mind? Yeah, you can't change your mind. You can't vote for two
Sir,
parts.
is it S divided by 42 or 42
S, all
divided by
right.
S?
A quotient of a number, S and 42. So it will be S divided by 42, right? Okay. The product of 40 and a number T. Tangini, you want to say this one? Anybody else get that? Nobody?
The product of 40.
The product of 40 and a number T.
It could be 40 T.
It could be 40 T?
Yes, 40 and T.
40 and T. Okay. 40 T. Okay. And then the final one, a number C added to 23. I think I'll take this one. All right. So let us see if that big one, if I'm the wrong one, or you guys are Teresa, or you guys wrong. Teresa retract one of our answers, but let us see. If we get 100%, that would be nice. D. Oh my God! You guys are right.
Yeah, man.
You guys were right. Woo! I don't believe it.
Sir, I'm sorry I did that one.
You say that one? And you know what? That's the only one Wait, there were some wrong ones there. There were some wrong ones there. This one is wrong. This one it says 10 less than a number v. So this 10 less than a number v. The v is great. This probably should have been this one probably should have been let me see. Let me see.
Whoa, get it wrong.
You got it wrong. Yes.
Am
All
I
right.
answer?
So two of them were wrong, and that's why we got it wrong. So this one, 10 less than, it says 10 less than a number v. 10 less than a number v. So we have it as probably what they had was the v in front and the less than sign the other way around. Probably that's what they had, right? Probably they had it that way to get it correct. So, and then it means that Teresa should have kept her answer. Oh, Teresa. Oh, sorry, Teresa. Shouldn't have followed the teacher. Oh, sorry, Teresa.
Oh, so that's not the greatest sign. That's the
No.
plus sign.
Mm.
Oh,
So you guys should have kept your answers. You know, should have kept your answers. You let me talk you out of it. I'm sorry.
I them, sir. I mean,
You should never
me
let me
to my
talk you
word.
out of it. Like seriously, come on.
Listen to my word.
All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do so that's basically the first part of the syllabus. We're gonna go a little step difficult, a little more step difficult than that. Let me give me a little second here, please. Mm. All right. Now, give me a little second here to give you another question based on that part of the syllabus. And this one might be a little bit easier, harder, I should say, not even easier, but harder. 161. All right, now, ladies, while I find those questions, it is imperative that you move a bit faster. All right, it is imperative that you move a bit faster. All right, so here are some other questions. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All right. Now, 40x more than z. It should really be z plus 46, to be honest with you. It should really be that. But I don't know how to interpret it that way. All right. That's going to show some questions at you. How would you write um 1/4 of x? How would you write 1/4 of x? How would you write 1/4 of x? Let's bring up the whiteboard. Let's bring up the
Where my face
whiteboard.
at home?
Why your face showing? Showing where? Oh, oh, you're watching it. You're watching the stream. You're watching the stream. Talk to me
No,
now.
sir, no, sir. On my video, I didn't remove the cam.
Oh, you
I didn't.
didn't. Okay.
No.
Well, you know about here do, so you have to worry yourself about that.
I
You know.
know.
Uh, oh, you know.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh my gosh! Why am I in January? Like seriously? Speller, can you do me a favor, please?
Of what, sir?
Come on, don't embarrass me now.
I'm doing what, sir? What should I do?
You know what?
Tell me.
I go shortcut the gate. I go shortcut.
Sir,
Leave
sir,
me alone. You leave me alone, man. Oh, no, no. You leave me alone. Leave me alone.
sir,
Leave
what
me
should
alone.
I do?
Nothing, man. No, all right. You
What?
really want? You think you're smart?
Sir, Sir, what should I do, sir?
Just think it's smart.
Self-employed for you.
Just think it's smart enough.
Mm. Okay. Algebra.
All right, Mr. Who catch you? Where yourself? Yeah, man. Mr. Who catch you, man? Know yourself, yeah. I so catch you, man. I so catch you. I so catch you. All right,
Oh,
so on the same, we're on the same thing. It says write an algebraic expression for each of these. So we're gonna write the one that says quarter of x, 1/4 of x. Are you going to tell me how I should write it? That's number one. And then number two will be
what are they right now?
and number three. And for those using their smartphones, you know, you have to turn it long side and stretch it like a picture to see the whiteboard. Stretch it like a picture. Zoom onto it, stretch it like a picture to see the whiteboard. All right, so we are at question number three now. So 3 times plus 4 times y. Well, number three says the cost. The cost of 4 eggs. And after these questions, then we're going to move straight into our multiple choice, C.X.C multiple choice questions. The cost of 4 eggs at X cents each. This one going to be a. I wonder if you got this one to catch you guys. The number of meters in X centimeters. Okay. You guys want to try that one? Ooh. Sail in the water, sail in the water. Okay, Teresa, you got the first. You got that one correct. Got number one correct, Teresa.
oh.
Congratulations.
So,
Could I try?
You could try. What's
Number
your answer?
one,
Number one. Wait, what's answer? What's answer for number one?
1/4 times x.
And how we write that? How we write that?
1/4.
So 1/what? 1/4. Yeah. So it's that answer then would have been equal to, and I think all right. So you both got it correct. Teresa got it correct. You guys got it correct. So 1/4 x. That's I see what I do now. Okay, so that's the answer for part B. Part number one that is. What about number two? Okay, Terry says Terry said YouTube is going real good. You're going real good there, Teresa. I want to hear what these guys in Zoom have to say. What's the answer? Very good, Teresa. But you have to simplify that, Teresa. What's the answer?
3x plus 4y.
That's correct. 3x plus 4y. That's correct. So Teresa, you have to simplify it, okay? Good job. And what's number three? Let's see if you guys can figure it out, or Teresa going to figure it out before you guys. Let's see if Teresa can figure this one out. Or you guys going to figure this out? So the cost of four eggs at X cents each. This one having a week. The cost of four eggs at X cents each.
There are 4 times x.
Four times X. So it is four times, it is what? 4x what? Cents. You have to put the dollar in it. Teresa didn't get this one. Osh. All right, it's a very good Tangini. All right, number four, the number of meters in X centimeters. The number of meters in X centimeters. So that's number four. And number five now. That one had Teresa, right? All right. I guess you guys want a understanding of how Tangini got that, right? You guys want an understanding of it, right? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay.
Let me
Now
understand.
you understand? Is there anybody who doesn't understand how Tangini got this?
Me, sir.
All right. So let me explain. Don't sit in the class, and because don't you can't sit in the class and then you're not saying anything, Now it says four eggs. So this is one egg. No egg no look so. Egg now have a color there, right? Right, Tasha?
Sir, wait, I can't see the screen, sir.
Can't see the screen?
No, sir. I don't know what I did wrong.
All right.
Actually.
Let me share the screen again for you. Are you seeing it now?
It's blank. I'm not seeing you.
What are you
Not
seeing?
even seeing you.
What are you
Just a
seeing?
blank screen. Just blank. Dark.
Dark? Log out and log in back. Are you seeing it now?
No. I'm just going to leave.
Yeah, leave and then come back. Yeah. All right. So while we wait till Tarsha come back, let me explain to Shani. So this is one egg, and it says four eggs, right? Now it says that the cost of four eggs at X cents each. So X cents each means is that one egg costs X cents. Good. So that is one egg. So at X cents each mean X cents. So if you have another egg, that's two eggs. Again, X cents. each. And then you draw another egg. Now, notice the technique that I'm using to show you. You hear that, Shani?
Yes, sir.
So I'm drawing. So sometimes you can draw. When you're doing the maths question, students, you draw the thing. It make my life much easier for you, so you can make sense of the question. All right. So you draw the thing. Good. You draw a picture of what you think it's saying to you. That way, it is forcing you to actually process what you're studying or reading or whatever you call it. Right. Now, are you seeing the screen now, Tasha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So so we're looking at number 3 to explain how Tangini got it. So we have X cents. So each of the 4 eggs costs X cents. You get that? Each of the
Yes,
four
sir.
eggs costs X cents. So the cost of, so they are saying no, they are now saying no. The cost of the 4 eggs. They want you to state the cost of the 4 eggs. So the cost, okay, Teresa, I got you. No, we're not trying to find one, but we're trying to find the cost for 4, Teresa. Not one, but for 4 of them, right? But you have to state the cost for each because it says each. At you have to comprehend the phrase now, At X cents each. Each suggests single one. Good. So therefore, now we know what this that each of the eggs costs X cents, then therefore the total would be how many X do we see right here? 4
4.
For
X. And you put the unit cents. That's it. Simple as that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Teresa, on our memory. Teresa, we need to work on that memory of yours. All right. Now, all right. Teresa is a, you might be wondering why we're referring to Teresa some of the time. Teresa is our one of our Nikosha would know Teresa, right? Nikosha? Which class Teresa is in Nikosha? Oh, and Tasha too.
HSB.
HSB, very good. I couldn't ask Tasha because a long time in I lie. Tasha was in class last week.
sir, you know say you have to make it look bad for me. You know say you never have to make it look
Oh,
bad.
oh, I told her I'll catch her back, don't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See that thing?
It's alright.
Yeah, man. Me tell her I'll catch her back. So try it again. Try it again. You try that again with me, and I'll try it again with you. So yeah, so Teresa is there with us. She's from our HSB class, and she's there with us. She's watching from the maths class. She wanted to join, but she didn't ask for the code. That's why she didn't get to join Zoom. But she's doing a good job in YouTube, right, Teresa? You're doing a good job there, Teresa. Very good job. All right. So the number of where no we are. Oh, you guys have number 4 to do. So try number 4 now. Number of meters in X centimeters. The number of grams. The number of grams in X kilograms. The final one. And then after this, we'll go straight to our famous C.X.C multiple choice questions, 10 of them from the 2016 exam paper, January 2016. the cost of X books at Y dollars each. All right, so who wants to tell me the answer for number 4? Come, folks, we need to get to those multiple choice questions right very shortly. And then in next week's class, we'll be looking at simplifying algebraic expression. So don't miss that class, simplifying algebraic expression, and we'll be using some little practical things for that. And then we'll be going into binary operation, full speed ahead, right? Because I have to get it to do the algebra part of the multiple choice as well, all right? The number of meters in X centimeters. Oh, good night, Gabriel. No, Gabriel. No, 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 Gabriel. Good night, Gabriel McPherson. Good night. Try again, Gabriel. Try again. Try again, Gabriel. Welcome tonight, Gabriel. Nice seeing you again tonight. X cannot be 100. We're not asking you to solve X right here. It says what we're doing is writing an algebraic expression for each of these, right? Okay. It says that the number of meters in X centimeters. The number of meters in X centimeters. Number of meters in X centimeters. All right. Let's do this together. All right. Anybody want?
Sir,
Okay, Tasha, try. Okay, Tasha, try.
I'm just trying.
Okay, go ahead, try. Go ahead, try. Yeah. All right. Remember, you have the language pronouns. I expect you to comprehend this one.
Sir,
All right.
don't bother. If I get it wrong now, me feel bad.
No, man, no, man, no, man. You're not getting it wrong. I'm sure you get it right. Come, go ahead. Go ahead. Ah, you have like a sense now. You have like a sense. 1 second there. 1 second there. Yeah, good night.
Yes, sir, no, me have to say.
You know,
Let me
class
see.
teacher now. What yeah, sir? Yes. That you come close to the answer. A matter of fact, you have the idea. You have the idea. You have the idea, Tasha. And I like your style. You text me directly. I like your style. But you're right. Anybody else want to try before I give away what Tasha said? Tasha is near to right. The number of meters in X centimeter. What do you know about number 4? What do you actually know about number 4? And this is why I was saying to you before now that when you're doing mathematics, you got to use your English language skills. You got to. I'm not a very good language student, but I got a grade 2 for language. I'm a math student. So, but those who did do you guys are good at English language, I believe. And not one such person is very good at English language. But so this is why she comprehended it's yeah, there. But she wasn't sure. She knew what she wanted to say, but she wasn't so sure. So she just dropped in that little something like that. The division sign is right. I must say that to you. Yes, but anybody doesn't want to try before I put in the answer. Gabrielle want to try again. Teresa want to try this one. All right. One of these they are going to give away a credit to the YouTube persons who get the highest mark will get the credit for you in YouTube.
We stop coming in the class and that's why you too.
We have to encourage our YouTube persons to participate. I mean, Gabriel has been doing good. Teresa has been good tonight. Gabriel was good for our HSB class. and she's here for math class. So Gabriel is a top fan, you know. Just give her something, right? Right, Gabby? All right. Yeah, the number of meters in X centimeters. When we talk about centimeters, all right, let's get serious with it now. When we look at centimeters, number of meters in X centimeter. What comes to your mind when you think of this phrase? Number of meters in. Now the word in is a giveaway. How when you talk about the word in, it says, wow, Teresa got it. Wow. Mm. You're almost there, Teresa. You're almost there, Teresa. Teresa, almost there. Teresa and Tasha got the same answer. Almost there. So Tasha, a good language student too. Teresa, almost there. So only two person try. What about the rest of the class? Try them on. You want to try? You afraid? Don't be afraid. Remember, in my maths class now, there's not named wrong answer, right answer. Just answer. Make sense? Just answer. So look at it now. But the word in is a giveaway. The word in is a giveaway. When we talk about how many twos are in four. Let's say how many twos are in four. And you divide to find that out. Right, Shani?
Yes, sir.
Good. So when you see the word in, it is suggesting that some division must be there. But it says the number of meters in centimeters. So what are you actually? The number of meters in centimeters. If I had 1 meter, how many centimeters is in 1 meter? No, Teresa. No. Try again, Teresa. Try again. Keep trying till you get it. If I want to find out how many the number of meters in centimeters, what would I do? How would I do that? Oh, you have a lime phone, but it never. But you answer right. You answer for right, Teresa. Teresa want the credit, but you answer for right. You answer wrong. I- the credit is coming for the multiple choice. That's what the credit coming for. The multiple choice. 10 multiple choice that I'll be giving in a few minutes. You have to do the 10 multiple choice question to get that credit. That credit. All right, so let's go, folks. How do we do that? When you want to find eh, the number of meters in X centimeters, what you do?
So you divide the small
Divide.
one into
All right, good. All right, let me give you the guys. I think Teresa and Tasha were the only close persons to it. The answer is really x divided by 100 meters. So you're converting centimeters to meters. That's basically what you're doing. It's really a conversion, all right? Meters. So you guys are close. M divided by a centimeter. Centimeter might mean 100. So you're almost close. All right. So Teresa and no, not even close, Teresa. Centimeter divided by a meter. Not even close. All right. So that's the answer. X divided by 100 meters. All right. So Gabriel didn't have the answer to give. All right, number 5, the number of grams in X kilograms. That's one easy. The number of grams in X kilograms. The number of grams in X kilograms.
Actually, see my right, I think.
The same thing?
Um,
You say the same thing? The number of grams in X kilograms. And for those persons who are coming live on YouTube, we'll be giving either the student in Zoom or whichever student. I'll be talking to Mrs. Riley about this one. Any student who got the first student to get the full 10 marks will get a prize of a credit from CDP Labs and Services, whether from the YouTube or from Zoom. No calculators, no calculators, please. Be honest. No calculators. All right? No calculators. What's the answer for number 5? Gabriel, you gone? I'm going to say Gabriel. Where's Sister Gabriel? All right. All right. Anybody have the answer for this one? The number of grams in X kilograms. The number of grams in X kilograms.
Sir, 10x
10x.
or 10 times x?
Well, you didn't hear, but it's not 10. In X kilograms. If you're converting from kilograms to grams, what do you do? I'll give you a hint. If you're converting from kilograms to grams, what do you do? Remember, no, it's X kilograms. The number of
Divide.
divide.
Who?
So you say that
Where you get
one
that from?
kilogram is 1 kilogram is 0.0000 something. No, you can't divide.
I'm on. I'm
Multiply.
on the phone.
Uh, so it's really 1,000 x grams. That's the answer. All right. Final one now. Number 6. Let's see if we get this one. Come, Shani. Try. All when you try, you will succeed. Only when you try, you will succeed. Only when you try. You have to keep trying. When they get them wrong or right, that is not the point here. You try, participate. The more you participate, better for you. So it's best to try. Okay, Shani? Shani? Oh, Shani, you gone?
Yes, sir.
Best to try. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're at number 6 now, class. Oh, Teresa is honest. All right, that one would not be correct. It's actually 1,000 x grams. All right, so the cost of X books at Y dollars each. That's easy. The cost of X books at Y dollars each. That's easy. The cost of X books at Y dollars each.
Sir, x times y?
X times Y. Very good. X times Y. So it's XY dollars. Very good, Tangini.
Get it
All
right.
right. Yeah, man. You think you got it right, Tasha?
Yeah, but no.
Okay. All right. Job well done. Now we're going to go to the 10 multiple choice questions. And remember now, I'm giving away a credit for the 10 multiple choice questions. Yes, yes, yes. Giving away a credit for it. 10 multiple choice questions. I'm going to give away a credit for the 10 multiple choice questions. So now we're in our C.X.C multiple choice possible questions phase of the class. Okay, Gabriel. Good try, Gabriel. Good job, Gabriel. Good job. All right. So we're now going to our C.X.C multiple choice past paper questions. So we're going to give away a credit today, and all they need to do, whosoever get the first person to submit their assignment with the full 10 marks, and I have no calculators, no calculators. So try to be honest now. No calculators, and you'll get your first credit. and then we'll take it from there next week. So if you are from the YouTube and you got the full 10 questions correct, then you just have to send us a text message to 1-876-324-8441 to receive your credit. And you guys in Zoom, you know what to do. So don't let the YouTubers get it before you. All right. So we're gonna go to our 10 multiple choice C.X.C questions. So oh, Nicole Sharon came late. So what was the score? Yes, XY. Oh, you got six, Nicole Sharon. Okay. XY. You got it, Teresa. But we're now going to the actual um, worksheet now. So we're now going to the consumer arithmetic multiple choice paper 2017. You will not be able to write a name and date right here, but you will just write it when you're going to send an email. For those persons who are just coming on, I cannot give you the first answer, but what you need to do is to click on finish, and then after you click on finish, you're going to put in your name. The group level is grade 11. School subject is mathematics. And of course, the email address is cdpmathlab@mail.com. So I'll type the email address in the chat so you'll know where exactly to send it. So now I'm going to do it so you can get your first credit. So let us send it in the Zoom chat first. Let's see who can get the credit today. The credit today. The credit. We will send that credit immediately tonight. All right. And now I'm going to send it in the YouTube chat. So the link is now in the YouTube chat. So the email address is cdp matslab hotmail.com. That's our email address. So the link is there now. I'm going to pin the link. So at the top. All right. So you go ahead now and try your best. Let's see who will get the um the first credit from CDP Labs Edu Services. Remember, you have to get 10 out of 10 to get this credit. Or maybe I should say the highest, the person who got the highest score for the well. Let's say the person with the highest score, but we cannot get less than 8 to be qualified. You have to get 8 and above to qualify. The first person to finish getting 8 and above to qualify. 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, or 10 out of 10. And if somebody who did it afterwards got the highest score, so the highest score will be the actual one. So you have between 8 to 10 to qualify, but the highest score will win that credit. All right, you guys go work. So it is 2 minutes per question. So you have 20 minutes. So I'll stop you at 9:53. C.X.C multiple choice questions. No calculators, please. If you are doing the C.X.C exam, you will not have calculators to use. So do not rob yourselves. And students of CDP Labs Data Services, I'm asking you, please, we cannot be doing multiple choice only for computation and only for consumer arithmetic. We must move on. We need to move on. The next set of multiple choice is going to be based on sets. And sets, yes. So you need to move on. All right, got to move it faster when you're watching the videos, when you're doing the worksheet assignments, and you're watching the videos. You need to ensure that you make your notes, get some practice questions. Even when you're watching the videos and you have a problem, call sir and say, sir, something I understand, and I'll help you. Don't wait until when you you're trying to get the score for the worksheets and you're not getting it. You have is make use of me. Make use of me, please. All right. Remember, I give you one-on-one attention. If you need it, need that one-on-one attention, I'll give it to you. There's no extra cost for one-on-one attention. Okay. All right. Give me a second while you guys go ahead and work. No guessing of answers, please. Well, hope you don't guess, Please don't guess anything. After 54, as Explore said.
Sir,
Yes, Tangini. Are you saying you
did you
finished?
receive an email?
The email address?
Sir, did you see it? Did you see any response?
Are, are you send it off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tangini, let us see. Let us see, Tangini. I'm checking now. Let's see. All right. Tangini, let's pick Tangini. All right, I've got one. Tangini as 8.8. That's good, Tangini. Very good job. So you got number three wrong. Only one wrong you got? Only one wrong? Tangini, that's good. 8.3. All right, so Tangini only got one wrong, which is So let's see who, well, in order to top that score, you have to get all right. So 8.8 is the highest score. Um, Tangini, if you are the first person, then I have to send you your credit. What type of phone you have, Tangini?
Sir Line.
Lime. Okay. Oh, but the Teresa have lime too. Teresa has a lime phone. Okay, so Tangini is our first student to set it up, and you got an 8.8. Excellent. Did you guess these answers, Tangini?
No, sir.
I hope you never using the calculators though, did you?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's say
Sir,
if,
some of the questions is not the first time I'm seeing
that's the first time I've seen one. This one?
the questions. Not all of them, but some of them.
Wait, you didn't say the wrong one, I said. I said the wrong one. Thank you, the wrong one, I said. I said the
Yes,
wrong
sir.
one. I said the wrong one. People, I said the wrong one. Oh, sure, sure, sure. No, thank you. You can't this one. The wrong one, I said. Sorry about that, folks. Very sorry. I sent the wrong one. I should have sent. I sent the wrong one. I really did send the wrong one. I sent it wrong. It's supposed to be the 2016 version. That's not the 2016 version. I sent the wrong one. I have to send the right one there. Thank you. I'm going to send the right one. Okay, guys. I'm going to send the right one. So I do apologize for that. Really do apologize for that one. I do apologize for that one. Um, I do apologize. That's the wrong one. And then Tangi just said that was the wrong one. Tangi, you didn't say that.
Sir, I did not know, sir.
Then Tangi, it never said 2016, did it? No. Honestly, though, did it say 2016?
No, sir.
Okay. I apologize for that. My my viewers on I might have to send out two credits. One for those who are on YouTube, and you guys here in Zoom. So the YouTube person still have a chance of getting something. So first YouTube person for that one will get that, and this one will go to you guys in Zoom. Somebody's not on. Tasha. All right, this is the real one actually. This is the real one. My apologies. So no, not one on necessary. You gave that one already. Come on, man. Like, seriously, that's the real worksheet. That's the 2016 one. You got a 2017 one. That's the 2016 one. All right. So the persons in the YouTube, you still have an opportunity to get something. So the first person from YouTube, with the highest score from YouTube will get theirs, and you guys here in Zoom, if you get yours, you have to go and do this one. So you go and do this one. Still can do it in 20 minutes. This is the 2016 one, so do the 2016 one. If those who are on the YouTube, if you want the 2016 one, you can let me know, and I'll send the 2016 one in the chat. But you should get 100% on this Tangini. In Tangini, you should get 100% on this. You can't give it that, man. Yeah. Ah, go ahead. The 2016 one, that's the one for the credit. You come back and get the same answer, huh? Yeah, come on, man. So give it a chance, an opportunity to, for those persons just join. There's a link with a set of possible questions, multiple choice. We'll be giving away two separate credits. Those for persons in Zoom and the persons in um, YouTube. The YouTube persons will get the credit for the first link send, and you guys in Zoom I'll give you the credit for the first one for this one. This is yours. This is the right one. 2016, not 2017. My apologies. And students, try your best not to miss any night um, for these multiple choice possible questions. All right. Try your best not to miss any night for them. Nothing wrong. You wanted a set of 10 questions to do. Nothing wrong. 60 questions in the multiple choice. So nothing is wrong. Normally 60 questions. Still have 20 minutes to go on this one. All right. I saw something came in. Gabriel? Nice no, Gabriel. Like, seriously, Gabriel? Ush, Gabriel, Ush. All right. Gabriel has participated. No. All right. Gabriel, you're supposed to use the letters. Nice try, Gabriel. Nice try, Gabriel. You can try to do it over back again, Gabriel. Nice try. You gotta use the capital letters. So do it. Try it. Do it again. Do back yours again, and let's see if you get the highest score. So all you have to do is convert the answers to the letters using capital letters. Those persons who are doing it in YouTube, it's supposed to use capital letters for your answers. Do not use the numbers, but the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Yes, Gabriel, you can redo it. All right, let's see who'll get the highest score from Zoom and the highest score from YouTube. Zoom's is supposed to be in the 2016. I apologize, as I said to you before. At least, well, so Gabriel has followed the instructions, which is very good. Teresa, are you there? Teresa, are you still there? Oh, no, it's Teresa in action. So we'll be giving away the credit instantly tonight. Instantly. I almost gave away one to the CDP Lab students. Almost. Tangini, almost. Shanae, are you still there? You're trying to do the 2016 one? Still waiting for the highest one to come in. The first highest score. And then we will go through the answers. Do, 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 do. That sounds like somebody finish.
So I'm finished.
Did you submit it?
Yes, sir.
Well,
Sir,
okay.
we don't know me na get the highest, so.
All right, Nikosha, you got 6. Well, nice try. 6 out of 10. Well, they didn't qualify for this one. Didn't qualify for this one at all. I didn't qualify for this one. You have to get between 8 and 10 to qualify, but nice try.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to give other persons an opportunity. While we wait on the other students to submit theirs, we have Shani and Tangini to wait on. While we wait on the other two persons, I will just look at your question, look at the ones that you got incorrect, and then guide you on that. I will not be giving away the answer, but you know what you got incorrect, right, ma'am? Right, Nikosha? All right, so let's look at the ones that you got incorrect. All right, for number 5, right? For number 5, did you read the question properly, Nikosha? Nikosha?
Yes, sir. Sir, around one cup of tea. Just wait, please.
So you know which one you should put in, right?
Yes, sir.
Text it to me privately. Let me know. Let me know which one. Let me know if you come up with the right thing. And for those who are just viewing on, no sir. Uh, Number 6. Teresa is not getting number 6. Gosh. I'm just seeing a message, Teresa. You say you're not getting number 6. Osh. Ah, Teresa is not getting number 6. Oh, my bad. No, no, and that one would be wrong, Nikosha. That cannot be. You got to check back your notes, Nikosha. Check back your notes. And this is why I'm doing the multiple choice early with you guys, because you see, it really makes a difference right now. Doing the multiple choices, right, really makes a difference, right? The number 5 is not looking good for you. Uh, and number 6, Nikosha. There are that number of students in class. Girls make up that percent of the class, and that percent of the girls wear glasses. How many girls in the class wear glasses? You didn't read that question properly, did you? Nikosha?
Don't
I,
think so, sir.
I don't think so. Read it slowly, Nikosha. Read over question number 6 slowly. Read over slowly. Do what I tell you to do. Draw. Try to comprehend it sentence by sentence. Good. Sentence by sentence. You got to try figure out number 6. Um, 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 I can't help you now. And when you're giving away credit, Teresa, it's hard to help people at this point. When all the results come in, then I can talk. I can help you. But I'm giving away credit now, so I cannot just tell it, help you with that. That not going to work. That would be unfair to the other students. So number 6, you need to read that slowly and make sense of it. The square root of 181 lies between. Well, they didn't answer that at all. Didn't answer that at all. Number 8, well, that's correct. And number 10, the square root of 8.2 equal 2.86. So the square root of 8.2 times 10 to the power of 2 will equal to what? Hmm. Well, you choose that. No, no, not at all. No, man, you have to use the eyes, Nikosha. You don't use the eyes at all, Nikosha. Use the eyes, man. Use your eyes. Not for no fans and multiple choice questions, Use your eyes. For those persons who are just joining us live on CDP Labs and Services tonight, every Monday night and this Thursday night, we'll be giving away credits for us. We have our multiple choice past paper segment of our class. They have Mr. Algebra teaching, and we're now in the multiple choice segment of our past paper questions. If you're doing C.X.C exams, it'll be a good opportunity to practice and also to gain other credit on your phone. All right. And to test where you are in the syllabus. We're looking at your strengths and your weaknesses, and we take it from there. All right. Time supposed up, students. I'm giving you 10 minutes more to finish, just 10 minutes more, and so we can go through the worksheet. All right. I see our next one coming in. Let's use this one. Shanae Smith, Tangini, Gabriel McPherson tried again. Okay, so we see Gabriel McPherson. You nice try, Gabriel. Nice try, but you have to qualify to get the credit. That means CDP Labs keeps the credit. Um, Tangini, nice try. The highest score is actually 6. All right, so the highest score tonight is actually 6. I think I should give away a credit, shouldn't I? All right. I think I'm going to give away to I want to give away a credit today. 1 second, please. 1 second. Because you guys participated, I'm going to give away to Miss McPherson. You got to text your number. Well, I'm not sure about if there's going to somebody going to beat you, if- but I'm going to go through the class. This one now, gentle people. Um, let's hope anybody doesn't beat Miss McPherson for your segment. For the YouTube persons, let's hope you don't get beaten, ma'am. But if nobody beats Miss McPherson, then I will award you the credit. Nice try, Shani. Nice try. Um, and Nikosha, I'm going to give you the credit for the first night. But every night after this, you have to qualify. All right? Have to qualify. All right. So if nobody, at the end of the class, if nobody else gets beats from YouTube beats Gabriel McPherson, then Gabriel, you'll get the credit. But after tonight, you have to qualify. You have to get that 8 out of at least 8 out of 10. All right, so let's go to the worksheet now, ladies. Now, what percentage of 40 is 8? No, it says what percentage of 40 is 8. So in other words, when you're doing something like this, what percentage of 40 is 8? Or we'll talk about what percentage of 40 is 8. So in other words, then, how much out of 40 is 8? So you'd write x, you could write x divided by 40 multiply by 100 is equal to 8. Good. Now, one way you could look at this is say you could divide the 40 by 8 and you get 5. So 1/5 of 40 is 8. Therefore, 1/5 of 100 is 20. So your answer is supposed to be B. All right. Oh, yes, the answer is B. The answer is B. Very good. Shani, that's good. Very good. Shani did this on your own, right, Shani? No calculator, Shani? So the answer is B for that.
Yes, sir. I did it on my own.
No calculator. Okay. Number two now, if you use your eyes carefully, remember the multiple choice is a timing test. So if you use your eyes carefully, note now 4 times 3 times 0.37 is equal to 1.591. Now what they did with the 4.3, they divided by what? 10, and they multiply this by 10. Good. So the question is then now, how would that make a difference with the answer? If you divide 1.591 by 10, you're going to get 0.1591. But if you multiply it now by a thousand rather, you're going to end up getting what now? What are we end up getting? C. Good. So you can move by this. So it's like you move the decimal place 1, then you move it back what? How much? 3. Good. So 1, 2, 3 will leave you at 159.1. Very good. Again, Shani, that was a good job. Good job there. So you have to use the eyes carefully. Number 3, 11.1 divided by 0.01. All right. Now you can ignore the decimal points. What I normally would do is something like this. If I don't like working with decimals, I convert it to fractions. So I would have 11 and 1 over 10. Because what point 1 is 1 over 10. All right, and you have a division sign. And 0.01 is 1 over 100. So if I'm more comfortable with fractions, I'll convert it to fractions. Then now, I am now going to now convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Good. So 11 times 10 would have been 110 plus 1, 111 over 10. And then now we'll change the division sign to multiplication. And I'm going to flip the 1 over 100 to 100 over 1. Good. Now, so that means that I can divide the 100 by the 10, and I'll get 10. Then I multiply that 10 by the 100, by the 111, and I get what? What would I get? The answer would have been D for this one. Is that Shani and Company? Shani and Company?
Yes, sir.
Who got
Yes,
that one
sir.
correct? Who got that one correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, my internet right now move away, so sometimes.
Okay. Let me see who got that one correct. Let me see if Tangini got it correct. So where number 3?
Yes, sir.
So the answer is D. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, job well done. All right, so number 4 now, standard form. That's easy. Everybody should have got that correct. Um, Standard form, that's easy. So the standard form is 0.0346. Before the class is ending, Gabriella, they was seeing about the beating us, getting higher than your score. So you just send your details to 1-876-324-8446. 1-876-324-8446. So we can get your cell number and the network, so the credit can be sent directly to your phone at the end of the class. All right. All right. So, and Nicole, so you're awarded for this one too. So 0.0346 written in standard form is now, of course, you're gonna place the decimal point between the first two non-zero digits. And what's the first two non-zero digits?
3 and 4.
Huh? 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Good. So it must be one of these answer. But how many times did we move the decimal point? 2 times.
Time.
Good. That's 2 times. So that is 2 times. So and it goes in this direction. It says negative. So the answer would have been D. Very good. Number 5. Ratio. The ratio question. Nicole, hush. Thank you.
Sir, no, if you did no.
You
Me
know if you
just
didn't
remember.
know. I remember if you didn't know. Thank you, run over that one. Yeah. If $250 is shared in the ratio of 2 to 5, the smaller share is, well, if $350 represent, I could use a bar model and show you guys. No, all this I don't need to teach you, because yeah, the videos do all the job already. Okay. Now you have two to total, and let's change the color white. So if we have 2 parts here, that's 1 part. So we have another. So these are 2 parts, right? But I need to get 5 more parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Good. What's supposed to be at the group? Uh, All right. So in total there are seven parts, seven equal parts. So that's a simple telling me then that I need to divide the entire thing, the 350 by 7. So I could do it that way, right? I could do it that way, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, 1 second there. One second. All right. So therefore, divide the 350 by 7. See? Using the bar model method, that can actually work. No. So 350 divided by 7 would simply tell us then that each part is equal to what? 350 divided by 7 is how much? Huh?
50.
50. Thanks. So each part is 50. Each part is 50. All right. Okay. I'm getting wait, hold on. Those persons from the YouTube just sent in something. One more person. Let's hope it don't get beaten, Miss McPherson. Miss McPherson, I'm afraid it got beaten. Teresa, Miss Mark Gabriel, you got beaten. I'm sorry. 8.8. So I have to give the winner for this one. 8.8. Very good job, Teresa. Very good job. Very good job, Teresa Powell. Boy. Sorry, Gabriel. I got your text message, but before the end of the class, somebody beat you. So I am very sorry about that. Teresa got it. She got 8.8 out of 10. So better luck next time, Gabriel. But not a problem. You have been a good participant. You deserve something. All right. Okay. So this is 50 and 50 and 50. So we must have seven parts of 50. Good. All right. So two parts out of it is 100 and five parts of it is 250. So therefore, the smaller share is 100. That's it. Job well done. All right. Job well done. All right. So let's move on now to number 6. Those who person got number 5 right. Good. Job well done. Number 6 now. Come on. This should never beat you none at all. Let's see if Tangini get it. Number 6. Number 6. Tangini, this beat you? This beat you, Tangini? Like seriously? Look, he said, you ain't never had a class, and I lose a credit. All right, that's actually kosher credit, sorry. So there are 40 students in a class. Girls make up 60%. Now, if there are 40 students in the class, 40 students make up the class, you know, that means 60% of the class. All right, if you can still use the 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 bar model method same way. So let's say this bar represents 40. Now, if it is that it is 60%, then if I want to divide this equally, how much parts am I going to divide it into equally? 10, right? Let's call it 10. 10? Let's call it 10. Because guess what? 60% would left back 40%, and 6 out of 10 is 60%, and 4 out of 10 is 40%. So therefore then, we could divide this up into 10. So 1, no, like seriously? Like 1, 2, and 3. Let's assume it is equal parts. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Teresa, but I have to finish up this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I guess 9. This will be 10. Just assume that they're all equal, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, so it is 40. So each part must be what? 4. Agree? Everybody agree? Hello? So each part must be 4. So each part represents 4 girls. So each part represents 4 girls. So 60% is 6 times 4 is how much? 6 times 4 is how much?
24.
24. So therefore, 24 girls are in the class. But they said to us that 25% of the girls wear glasses. How many girls in the class wear glasses? And 25% is the same thing as a what? A quarter. And a quarter of 24 is 6. So the answer is A. You have to reason it out, students. Use the bar model. One of the classes, I'm going to show you how to use the bar model to help you reason things out. All right. You could use the bar model too, because if you talk about 25%, that's like how much out of 10 we give you 25. You could probably try that, or maybe you could try maybe 20 to divide the whole thing into 20, right? Good. But the answer is 6. All right, so let's just move on to number 7. Winding down, a request was made for me to um, work out number 6 for the YouTube persons. Now, the square root of 181 lies between which one? Well, can you actually find the square root of 181? What's the nearest number to 181 that you can find the square root of? We lose Shani. What's the nearest number to, when you say the square root of 181 lies between, what's the nearest number to it that you can find the square root of? Anybody can tell me? What's the nearest number to 181 that you can find the square root of? Nobody don't know?
Sir, I'm guessing 180.
180? So what number times what number give you 180? What two same numbers that multiply together give you 180? That's what you have to
90.
ask. What? 90 times 90 give you 180? That's just adding. No, they come like you are asleep. No. You start sleep. You start sleep. The answer actually is it lies between 13 and 14. Because 13 times 13 is 169, right? And that's short of about 11. And then 14 times 14 is 196. Well, that kind of out of it. So it will be 12 and 13 actually. 12 and 13. So the answer is C. So you have to think it out, students. You have to reason these things out in order to get the correct answer. Right? It says lies between. So therefore, if you find what two numbers when you multiply together, we give you a number that is near to 181. All right? Good. All right. Number 8, we're moving on. 9 times 101 as the same value as. Now, 99 times 100. Now, well, if you break this up, 99 times 100 plus 1, that's not going to give you the right answer. It would more be C, 99 times 100 plus 99 times 1. All right, Shani, I got your message. All right. So the answer there would have been um C. All right. Nobody got that. And that you have to think about what you're doing, students. You can't throw an easy mark like that. What is the value of the 2-digit number? Oh, I thought everybody's supposed to get number 9 right. Right? That is 200, which is 2 out of 100, A. And number 10, final answer for the night. And then I'll go to do something with those persons. No, I was asked to do number 6. All right, so the square root of 8.2 is equal to 2.86. What is the square root of 8.2 times 2 to the power of 2? Now, 2 to the power of 2 is 100. So if the square root of 8.2 is, the answer would be either A or B, right? Now, the square root of, you have to find the nearest number, is 81. And the square root of 81 is 9, right? Hello? What is this 2.86? So if it is 2.86 here, then the answer would have been B. Number 10 is B. Did you get it? Nobody got number 10. No, the answer has to be B. So 2.86 times 10. So it would have been B and D, and it would have been times 10 because the square root of 10 square is 10. So, all right. Good. Well, good job, good try, but there is room for improvement. All right. A request was made to do question number 6 on the other person's worksheet. Let's use Tangini worksheets just to get straight to it, because we have exhausted our time so far. Number 6. All right, the answer for number 6, if you're there, Teresa, is A. All right. We had done a class on this before, Gabriel, so you can search it out to find it. We have done a class, the thing was last week, we did this one. So you could look for last week's class and you'll understand why you got that score. All right. So I'll be giving away 3 credits tonight. I'll be giving away 1 to Nikosha for getting the highest from the Zoom class, 6. I'll be giving 1 to Gabriel, because Gabriel has participated in both our classes. She has been a good supporter. And I'll also be giving a credit to the winner tonight, which is Teresa, for those on YouTube. All right. So congratulations. Now let me explain a question to you now, Teresa. Now the thing says item 20 refers to the following table, which shows the rates charged by an insurance company. Now, house insurance is 25 cents per 100. That means for every $100, they will pay 25%. For contents insurance, for every $100, they'll pay 50 cents. Therefore, it says now, how much would a person pay for insurance? If his house value $50,000 and the contents value $10,000. However, you have to find how many $100 are in 50,000. Therefore, you have to divide 50,000 by 100, which will leave us with 500. Then you're going to multiply that 500 now by 25 cents. So you multiply that 500 by 25 cents, you get 110. Or we get that, Teresa, you get 110. They have to find how many $100 now is in 10,000. And that would be 100. And multiply that now by 50 cents. So, and 50 cents is 0.50. So 0.50 times 100 is 50. So therefore, hold on then, hold on. So 0.50 times 100, that's 50. So we have 50 there, $50. And then the 0.25 times 5 times 500 will give us 125. So the 125 now plus the $50 will give us $175. That's how it is worked. So you have to find how many $100 is in this, then times it by 0.25. How many $100 is in this, then times it by 0.50. Hope I've answered your question, Teresa. All right. So very good. We have exhausted ours. The usual thing, ladies. I need to go and send out the credits. Tangi, sorry, Nikosha, what type of phone you have again? Nikosha,
Lime, sir.
Lime. Just WhatsApp me. Just WhatsApp me. All right, WhatsApp me. What? Just WhatsApp me. And and I think Teresa is Lime as well. And Gabriel, did you tell me what type of network you have? Oh, Lime. So be a Lime phone. Okay, no problem. Be a Lime phone. Okay. All right, so we have wrapped up our class tonight. I must say thanks to you ladies who have always come to class. And I must say thanks to Terry Tarsha, who was in class. And a big thank you to our viewers in YouTube and those students who have participated, both Teresa and Gabriel. All right, let's start with the class. Nikosha, how was class tonight?
Educational.
Educational. Okay, then. If our dear friend was online tonight, you'd have asked you what you mean by that. That's QA. All right. Okay. Tangini, what was class for you tonight?
Sir, rubbing off Alex's no. Class was good.
Class was good. Okay. All right. What happened to Alexis tonight? I'm sending out the credits now, folks. What happened to Alexis tonight?
Sir, she is preparing for school tomorrow.
Face to face?
Yes, sir, we all are.
Mercy.
We all are, sir.
Wow. Like seriously?
Yes.
I went to face classes tonight. I went to sorry, not tonight. I'm crazy. I went to face classes this morning. And I had only 3 students for one of my 9th grade classes, and the fourth formers turned out into their glory today. I must say. All right, they turned out their glory. All right, so and Shani, how was class for you tonight? I see you try. I must say congratulations to you, to Shani. You have tried. You have done your best, and that's wonderful. All right. I'm going to send off the credits now. I'm going to
It
send them
was
off.
okay for me, sir.
That's okay for you. All right. Okay. Okay. Good. Not bad. All right. I'm going to send out the credits. This number is what this number is? All right. So I'm going to send off the credits now, one at a time. All right. So, ladies, thank you very much. Have a good night. If you want to stay around for a little bit, no problem. All right. Let me send out these credits now quick and fast. All right. So lime. So this is lime. Oh, I have to add the number now. Yes, I have to add that number now. 1876 221 0483. So 1876. Oh, there is no one before it. I forgot. Um, you sure that number is correct? So that's 221. So 1876. That number not look right. 1876. So, okay. 876 221 0483. Okay. When you get it, please let me know. That's lime and the card time. All right. So the first credit is gone to the first person. All right. So that's 2210483. Okay. So that's Teresa's next, and then Nikosha. So all right. Uh, that's submitted that. Could you let me know if you got your credit, um, Gabriel? Gabriel, could let me know if you got your credit? All right. So the next person is Teresa, and then Nikosha. All right. So let's top up. Okay, and then Nikosha, you're next. All right. So here. So it is 876 772. Okay, you're welcome, Gabriel. You'll receive your credit. Could you text in the YouTube chat to let them know you got your credit? Because person might think we didn't send it, so let them know you got it. Let me know in the YouTube chat, Gabriel, if you got it. Just send it there, please. And you're welcome. All right, so the next number is 7723809, and that is Lime. I believe it said Lime. So, right. All right, I think I'm gonna because you won the competition, Tarsha, because you got the highest score overall. I'm gonna send you, not Tarsha, I mean Teresa, a little bit more. Send you a little bit more. All right, so that's 7723809. All right, let me know, Teresa, if you receive yours. And then Nicole, you're next. Teresa, you got yours? Teresa, you don't want it? You should have got it. It said lime. Hope it was really lime. I don't want to give away the credit to somebody else. All right, so Nikosha, you're next. Nikosha, you're lime, right? Oh, Nikosha gone? Oh, Nikosha is lime. I think Nikosha tells me it's lime. Let me check. Let me check. I think Nikosha. All right, gentle people. So both Teresa has received her credit of $200. All right. So I gave Teresa, you got your 200 credit. Gabriel, Teresa won, so we have to be fair with those persons, right? Nikosha, let me find out from Nikosha what type of phone she has. Nikosha. All right. So it's the last credit I'll be sending out now. Okay, so this is it for CDP Labs and your services. I'd like to say a big thank you to all our participants, those on Zoom and students on YouTube. I must say a big thank you to Teresa for participating, and also Gabriel. Okay, Teresa, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. You got my credit. Okay, so both we gave our credits as promised. We keep our promises as we um, do usually. So congratulations to Teresa Powell and from I know you're from. I don't know if you want me to tell the person you're from Clarendon. All right. Gabriel, which parish are you from? If you hear me, Gabriel, are you still here? Which parish are you from? While we wait on Gabriel to tell us which parish she's from, um, I know Teresa, I know. All right. While we wait on Gabriel to tell us which parish she's from, okay. Yeah, I saw the chat. I saw the chat. Um, one second here. All right. So feel free to well, we're asking you to subscribe. If you have never subscribed, please to subscribe. And of course, if you have friends or family who will be doing mathematics, human and social biology in C.X.C this year, May, June. Sorry, I'm going to ask you to share the channel with them, ask them to subscribe, and share it with as much persons as you can, because we are trying to reach that 1,000 mark and more. All right, so welcome again to CDP Labs Edu Services, and it is a pleasure to be here to you know have you guys here. And it was fun, right? Was it fun? Was it fun? All right, Gabriel, you're from Clarendon as well. Like seriously, Gabriel, you're from Clarendon. Do you two know each other? Do you two know each other? Is Gabriel and Teresa? Do you both know each other? I'd like to know that. All right, so I'm sending off the last credit. No, I can't answer that call now. I'm sending off the last credits. That's 1876. That's 876. Uh, Give me a second, please. All right, sorry about that. All right, so you guys, you don't think that you know each other? Okay, thank God for the Clarendon posse. You guys have supported CDP Labs with the services, and we, I'm very happy for that. Right? I don't even know which number. Hold on there. Let me need to get the other number. All right, so guys, we're signing off on our thing tonight. Signing off tonight. So just say thank you very much. Please like it and share it and subscribe. So that's it for tonight from CDP Labs Edu Services. Have yourselves a good night. Take care and stay tuned to CDP Labs Edu Services. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
In a school to enhance your education? Not sure where to start? Well, today your search is over. CDP Maths Lab eSchool offers classes for C.S.E.C, CAPE, and GSET subjects, along with training in early childhood education and data operation. Listen to what CDP Maths Lab students have to say about their most fulfilling experience.
While I was attending, it was almost the best experience I ever had. Like I was in class, but I wasn't. I would give the school the full 10 out of 10 because the teachers take the opportunity to help the ones that really needed it. To the upcoming students, this is the best decision you have made, and it will benefit you in the near future.
CDP Maths Lab eSchool was founded by Ronique Bernard in August 2009 with a vision to see our students receive a solid education with an emphasis on developing their cognitive skills. The school is committed to developing individuals who will have a positive impact on the society.
The class it really helped me, and if you are going to C.S.E.C, I really recommend this class, so you could always give it a try. The prices are really reasonable, and it is really worth it for online class. Like myself, you would be proud because on that day or on that night when results are out and you log in and you open your results, that feeling, it really, really, really is great. It is more of an experience that you would really, really want to relive.
Of course, I went through it and I passed my exams. So I would highly recommend this to anyone. If you have a problem or so, they will take their time out. They will take their time out to tell you. Plus, they have history of also past students who have also passed their exams in once.
I have been attending for 6 months, and my most fulfilling moment would be the interaction between the teachers and the students, as the environment is very comfortable and welcoming. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, I would rate this institution, along with the teaching techniques, skills, and tolerance of the teachers, a perfect score of 10. If I had the opportunity to recommend someone to this class, I would, because I can assure you that you will leave 10 times better than how you had entered. Now that I am leaving, one thing that I would recommend is a classroom interaction at least twice a month, as some students tend to do better with face-to-face interactions. This program would be the best decision one could choose, as the teachers are excellent at what they do, and they would go to the extreme to ensure that you understand what was taught, even if that means staying up with you all night. To CDP Maths Lab. Thank you.
Despite his late start, Shonday was able to successfully complete his exam.
Trust me, it's a really good program, because if I entered a month before exam and I passed the exam, that says everything for itself. The program speaks for itself practically then.
CDP Maths Lab eSchool is convenient and economical. We provide flexible learning options in a relaxed environment. With over 80% pass rate, we offer free demo classes before payment, one-to-one interactive tutoring, clinical teaching sessions to strengthen weak areas, and step-by-step video and worksheet exercises.
So of course, we really are the one to choose.
Are you ready to start your journey with CDP Maths Lab eSchool? Call us at 324-8441 or email us at cdpmathslab@hotmail.com. CDP Maths Lab eSchool, designed with your educational needs in mind.